Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick messenger tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix messenger story not showing. So without any further delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, we will open our messenger application, and here at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the stories option. So all of the stories of your friends will appear here. So if the stories aren't showing over here, there are some things you can do to fix it. The very first option is that you have to click on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen and keep scrolling until you see the option of story. You simply have to go to privacy and safety. Then there you can see the option of story control at the bottom right corner of the screen. So click on it and you will be able to see who can see your story as well as hide it from certain people. You can just go through everything and hide your story, but we are interested in the stories you have muted. So if you just go here from stories you have muted, all of the persons whom stories you have muted will be appear here. So you just have to make absolutely sure that there is no one in here, because you wouldn't want to make mute anyone's story, or maybe you want to do, it's up to you. But since you are looking for someone's story and can't seem to find it, make sure you haven't muted their story, because you won't be notified when they post a story. Last thing you could do is to make sure that you are using the up-to-date version of the messenger app. For this purpose, exit out of the messenger and go to your Google Play Store, and here in the top at the search bar, search for messenger and make sure that it shows open right next to the messenger. If it says update, it means that you are not using the up-to-date version and you need to update your app as soon as possible. Okay, so guys, that's been me in the end of the video. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.